तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi guys, welcome to Screen Guru. So here I am with our new video, that is 14 December 2021 current affairs. So let's start with our series without wasting any time. I will give you some additional notes as well for different types of questions and topics. Okay, we will be touching into in this video. So here comes our first question. Who among the following won the Miss Universe 2021 title? Very easy, right? Options are Harnaz Kaur Sandhu, Lara Datta, Urvashi Rautela and Manushi Chillar. So the right answer is option A, that is Harnaz Kaur Sandhu. She won the title after 21 years. इंडिया को पहली बार ये टाइटल पहली बार नहीं, इंडिया को ये टाइटल 21 ईयर्स बाद मिला है. इसके पहले जो टाइटल मिला था वो 2000 में मिला था. ओके, एंड 2000 में किसने जीता था? लारा दत्ता ने. तो हरनाज कौर सांधू का ईयर क्या हो गया? 2021, एंड दैट कम्स आफ्टर 21 ईयर्स. ओके, एंड उर्वशी रौटेला वाज द jury member. She was one of the judges in the jury member. Urvashi Rautela. This is not Urvashi, this is Urvashi. Okay. And Manushi Chillar won the title Miss World in the year 2017. Okay. Remember that. Do not get confused. Moving ahead, who was the first Indian to win Miss Universe title? Options are Lara Datta, Priyanka Chopra, Sushmita Sen and Deepika Padukone. सो मैंने आपको ईयर तो बता दिया है. अभी आपको उसके जो जिसका ईयर बताया उसके पहले कोई जीता था या नहीं ये डिसाइड करना है. ओके, सो द राइट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज सुष्मिता सेन. सो लेट मी गिव यू सम एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन. एज यू नो दैट लारा दत्ता वॉन द टाइटल इन द ईयर 2000. सुष्मिता सेन वॉन द सेम टाइटल इन द ईयर 1994. शी बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू विन द मिस यूनिवर्स टाइटल. Then Lara Datta became the second Indian to win the title, and now Harnaz Sandhu became the only third Indian to win the Miss Universe title. So Harnaz Kaur Sandhu, she is the third Indian in the year 2021 with Miss Universe title. Okay, I hope that is clear now. So moving ahead to our third question. Which government became the first to become 100% paperless government? Quite a huge headline now. आपने ये ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ वगैरह में देखा होगा, इंटरनेशनल न्यूज़ में. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑप्शंस आर दुबई, सिंगापुर, हांगकांग और सऊदी अरेबिया. सऊदी अरेबिया इज क्वाइट मेकिंग हेडलाइंस nowadays, but the answer is option A, Dubai. Okay, so Dubai is the country which has become the first to declare that it is 100% paperless now. Moving ahead, the title has been won, that is in news. आपको ये बताना है कि F1 Racing World Title 2021 किसने जीता. Very recent news, right? And quite it also created a stir, or I can say a controversy. There are different opinions on the results as well. So options are Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, C. Sebastian Vettel and D. Sergio Perez. Okay, so the right answer is option B, that is Max Verstappen. Okay, and it is maiden title. It means he won the title for the first time. एंड लेविस हैमिल्टन ने इसके पहले 7 बार जीत चुके हैं. लेविस हैमिल्टन. सो इट वुड हैव बीन हिज 8 सक्सेसिव टाइटल. सो 7 टाइटल्स आर ऑलरेडी इन लेविस हैमिल्टन्स कैप. मूविंग अहेड, वी हैव द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. इंडियाज फर्स्ट F1 ड्राइवर इज F1 रेसिंग ड्राइवर. ओके, ऑप्शंस आर जेहान दारूवाला, करुण चंदोक, अर्जुन माइनी एंड नारायण कार्तिकेयन. वेरी इजी, राइट? आपने अभी रिसेंटली न्यूज़पेपर में उनके आर्टिकल्स वगैरह देखे होंगे, कंट्रोवर्सी के ऊपर बात करते हुए, वर्ल्ड टाइटल के ऊपर बात करते हुए. F1 रेसिंग का जब भी इंडिया में जिक्र होता है तब एक नाम हमेशा आता है उसके साथ, दैट इज ऑप्शन डी, नारायण कार्तिकेयन. सो ही इज द फर्स्ट इंडियन F1 ड्राइवर. ही participated in 2005 in F1 racing from India. Moving ahead, which of the following is not a Baltic nations? Which of the following is not a Baltic nations? अगर आपको पता हो तो Baltic nations are none other than the bordering nations of the Baltic Sea, right? So this comes in news because there has been a recent incident in the major accident in the Baltic Sea, that is the collision of cargo ships, and hence anything related to Baltic Sea could be asked. So if there is news regarding Baltic Sea, there can be question regarding Baltic nations, right? So you should know what are the Baltic nations and how many of them are called as Baltic nations. So options are, which of the following is not आपको बताना है. So options are Estonia, Russia, Finland and Hungary. Very easy if you are aware about the world geography. That is option D. Hungary is not a Baltic nations. So altogether Baltic nations are none other than surrounding nations of Baltic Sea. There are 9 of them. So I will give you all the names as well. So the names, आपको 3 का नाम तो पता है, एस्टोनिया, रशिया, फिनलैंड. बाकी आप मैं बताते जा रहा हूँ, आप नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा. डेनमार्क, देन वी हैव जर्मनी, देन वी हैव पोलैंड, देन वी हैव लिथुनिया, लातविया, देन वी हैव रशिया हो गया, फिनलैंड, देन वी हैव स्वीडन. Okay, 4, 5, 6 and 3, that is altogether 9 of them. Fine. Denmark, Germany, Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Sweden, Estonia, Russia and Finland are all 9 Baltic nations which surround the Baltic Sea. Now there is another question, so we will wait till then. I will also tell you Baltic Sea is a part of which ocean. Okay, moving ahead to our 7th question. Times Magazine Person of the Year 2021 title was won by. Options are Narendra Modi, Donald Trump, Elon Musk, or option D, Jack Dorsey. Everyone was in news for quite a long time, but the answer is option C, that is Elon Musk. So he has been chosen as the Times Magazine Person of the Year 2021 title. Moving ahead, who is the Solicitor General of India 2021? So here comes a static GK, current affairs as well as a Indian polity thing, Indian polity subject. Options are Tushar Mehta, N.V. Ramanna, K.K. Venugopal and Harish Salve. So you can cancel out the options here. Harish Salve is a famous lawyer, famous senior lawyer, advocate. K.K. Venugopal is not the Solicitor General, he is Attorney General. Okay, he is the Attorney General. N.V. Ramanna is CGI, that is Chief Justice of India. So this is also not the answer. So option A is your answer, that is Tushar Mehta. The Solicitor General of India in the year 2021 is Tushar Mehta. Moving ahead, who is India's permanent representative of UN, that is United Nations 2021? Here is mentioned here. Options are Syed Akbaruddin, T.S. Tirumurti, R. Ramakrishnan or Indu Malhotra. You can again cancel out the options. Indu Malhotra is a justice in the Supreme Court justice. So Syed Akbaruddin was ex-permanent representative. So this option also gets cancelled. So here you will have only 2 options. So option B is the answer, that is T.S. Tirumurti. He is the permanent representative, India's permanent representative for United Nations. Moving ahead, Baltic Sea. As I said before, Baltic Sea पे और एक question आएगा, तो ये है वो question. That is Baltic Sea is a part of which ocean? Baltic Sea के ऊपर थोड़ा geography, history वगैरह पढ़ लीजिएगा, तो question बन सकते हैं उस पर. So Baltic Sea is a part of which question? Options are Arctic, Atlantic, Pacific और Indian. इंडियन तो नहीं हो सकता, वो हमारे से दूर है ये सब कंट्रीज. बाकी बचे आर्टिक, एटलांटिक, पैसिफिक. आर्टिक भी नहीं हो सकता, आर्टिक बहुत ऊपर हो जाता है, राइट. सो बचे एटलांटिक और पैसिफिक. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज एटलांटिक. एंड टू बी स्पेसिफिक, इट इज इन द नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन. It becomes a part of North Atlantic Ocean. So here is your homework question, very unique and important. Recently tested smart system is an anti-tank missile system, anti-submarine missile system, anti-drone system or air defense system. So what you have to do is, if you know, comment it down. If you don't, please make sure you search it on Google. You find it out in books, you find it out in magazines or newspaper today, and then comment it down so that you have a habit of being attached to our channel और challenging yourself. ठीक है, आपका सही जवाब होगा तो मैं आपको रिप्लाई कर दूंगा. So here are your answers. I will be sharing this PDF on our Telegram channel. If you haven't joined, please do join us on all the social media handles. On YouTube, you will get the main content which you are viewing now, and on Instagram you will get updates, memes, contact, another content, as well as you can directly contact us. And on Telegram you will get PDF on written content. जो भी PDF content वगैरह होगा वो Telegram में आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay, so please do subscribe. We have a huge number of viewers nowadays, but most of them are not subscribing to the channel, so please do subscribe. YouTube's very rare. First time on the YouTube it may be or it may not, but for the first time from our channel we are launching free courses for AFCAT NDA as well, so please do join and support us. Let's together win our dreams and achieve them sooner. Okay, so with that's going to do for you. Have a great time ahead. All the very best.
Just then.
ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर, हमारी पावर है. जब तक हम कह रहे थे करो 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 तो कह रहे थे तुम करो. आज हमने कर दिया तो कह रहे हम करेंगे, तो करो ना भाई.